Hello student, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Courtesy, Manners and Etiquette in a Group. Student, whenever we go for any party or whenever we have any group gathering, at that time we have to follow some manners, some etiquettes and some courtesy. How we have to behave when we are in a group, that we are going to see in this chapter. So, first of all, tell me, student, what do you enjoy more, spending time with yourself or being with others? How should you behave when you are with the other people? Okay, so here, should student, we are going to see that how we have to behave when we are with other people. Okay, and you didn't answer me. Do you enjoy with yourself or friends? I think with friends. Okay, with friends we enjoy more. If you are with yourself only, you will be very sad and you will be not joyful, isn't it? So here, whenever we meet our friends, whenever we go for any kind of gathering, at that time we have to follow some etiquettes and some courtesy and some manners. See here, this is the birthday party, okay, and everyone here are some six friends and they are enjoying except this one. He is with himself only. He is spending his time with the mobile. So do you think it is good? Is it a good manner? If someone from your friend circle will behave like this, do you really like it? I think no. No one will like such kind of behavior. So, student, you have to keep it in mind that whenever you are out with your loving one, at that time you have to keep aside your phone. You should not stuck in your phone. Rather than that, you have to talk to your friends. You have to spend time with them, okay, because this is not a good manners and it will make you not happy. But if you will spend your time with your friends, so this thing will make you more happy. Okay, so now here the another scene we are going to see here, some family gathering, I think so, some family function, and in this function one girl, she is shaking hand with this fellow, and he is not noticing her, and he is seeing somewhere else. So what do you think? Do you think it's a right thing? Don't you don't you feel something awkward here? Yes, it's looking very awkward situation, isn't it? This girl, she is shaking hand and she is introducing might be herself, and this boy, he is not noticing her at all, and while shaking hand, he is looking somewhere else. This is what really very bad manners. It really make feel front person very insulting. So whenever you meet to anyone, at that time you have to be keep smile on your face, and you have to look at that person, and you should not be behave how this boy is behaving. It looks very awkward, it looks very odd. Okay, student, so we have to follow some manners while introducing ourselves, or while someone introducing themselves to you. At that time you have to show some manners. Okay, so now let's see the another picture. See here, here are some four friends are sitting on the sofa, and they are enjoying and they are laughing on something, and they are looking very happy. But see this girl, she is with herself only, and she is listening some music, and she is not at all taking part in them, okay, in their meeting or in their discussion or anything else. She is just sitting with them, but still means she is physically with them, but virtually she is somewhere else. So, what's the use of this? Do you think this is a good behavior? And if you agree or not, but most of the time we also do the same thing. And by seeing this, might be now you realize that this is a bad behavior. We should not behave like this. Whenever we are with our friends or with our loving one, at that time we should not be enjoy ourselves, but we have to enjoy with all, isn't it? Here she is only enjoying, but here all of them are enjoying. So in such case, we should not be alone enjoy. We have to enjoy with all. This is what the good manners. Okay. So now here, see, this is what one dining meeting, okay, and here you can observe that this is the man who is all alone taking all the food, and there is not anything on the other bowl. So do you think it's good? No, this is not a good. Okay. How he is how greedily he is taking all the food and not leaving anything in the bowl. Okay, this is what very bad. First of all, you have to serve the others. If you are the host of your dining at that time, you have to host, you have to serve others, then you have to serve to you. But here he is serving himself only and not leaving anything for others. Do you think this is a good manner? Do you think this is a courtesy? Do you think this is etiquette? No, these are not a table etiquettes. While having a food, we have to follow some table etiquettes. Okay, so student, by this comic story, by this comic pictures, and we understand some etiquettes, some manners, and some courtesy. Okay, so here we come to know that whenever we are with our people at that time, we should not think of ourselves only, but we have to join them and we have to enjoy with them, not only enjoy ourselves. So understand, student, it is common courtesy to follow certain basic social rules and norms in the public. Whenever we are in public or in person, whenever we are in public or in person, we have to follow some rules, we have to show some etiquettes, and we have to show some courtesy. So that's all for today's video. We will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.